Imagine soaring above the clouds, a gentle breeze whispering tales of a city that never sleeps. Hong Kong, a vibrant tapestry of culture, cuisine, and captivating landscapes unfolds beneath you. Our drone ascends, carrying us on an unforgettable journey, revealing the city's hidden gems and iconic landmarks from a breathtaking new perspective. Get ready to be mesmerized by Hong Kong's unique charm, as seen through the eyes of a drone. Prepare to be captivated. This is no ordinary tour. This is Hong Kong like you've never seen it before. Join us as we embark on an aerial adventure discovering the heart and soul of this dynamic city. From towering skyscrapers to tranquil gardens, bustling markets to serene temples, Hong Kong promises a sensory feast for every traveler. Let the journey begin. Our drone ascends, revealing the awe-inspiring panorama of Hong Kong's skyline. Towering skyscrapers pierce the heavens, shimmering giants of glass and steel that seem to touch the clouds. Each building, a testament to Hong Kong's ambition and architectural prowess, stands as a unique character in this urban symphony. The sun glints off their reflective surfaces, creating a dazzling display of light and shadow. Among these titans, Victoria Peak stands tall, a majestic guardian overlooking the city. From this vantage point, the cityscape sprawls out before us, a breathtaking tapestry of urban life. The bustling streets below teem with activity, a constant reminder of Hong Kong's energetic pulse. As we circle the peak, the city's energy seems to reverberate through the air, a tangible force that is both exhilarating and captivating. Our drone glides towards Victoria Harbour, a shimmering expanse of water that has long been the lifeblood of Hong Kong. This iconic harbor, nestled between the Kowloon Peninsula and Hong Kong Island, is more than just a body of water. It is a symbol of the city's resilience and spirit. Here, the city's vibrant energy converges with the tranquility of the sea, creating a mesmerizing contrast. The skyline with its towering skyscrapers stands as a testament to human ingenuity, while the gentle waves remind us of nature's enduring presence. Traditional red-sailed junks glide gracefully alongside modern ferries, a beautiful blend of the old and the new, showcasing the harmonious coexistence of tradition and progress. Their wakes crisscrossing the harbor in a mesmerizing dance, creating patterns that are both chaotic and beautiful, much like the city itself. The air hums with the sounds of the city, the distant blare of car horns, the hustle and bustle of daily life, a symphony of urban existence. The rhythmic chug of boat engines adds a mechanical beat to this symphony, a reminder of the harbor's role as a bustling maritime hub. The murmur of countless conversations, each telling a story, each adding to the rich tapestry of life that unfolds here daily. Yet a sense of serenity pervades the harbor, a gentle reminder that even in the midst of such urban intensity, moments of peace can be found. These tranquil moments are a testament to the harbor's unique ability to offer solace and calm, even as the city pulses with life around it. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, the harbor transforms once again. The sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, painting a breathtaking backdrop for this unforgettable scene. The hues of orange, pink, and purple blend seamlessly, reflecting off the water's surface. This moment, as day turns to night, encapsulates the essence of Victoria Harbour, a place where the past meets the present, where nature and urban life coexist in perfect harmony, creating memories that linger long after the sun is set. Leaving the bustling harbor behind, our drone transports us to Lantau Island, home to the majestic Tiantan Buddha, affectionately known as the Big Buddha. This awe-inspiring bronze statue, one of the largest Buddha statues in the world, sits serenely atop a hill, a beacon of peace and tranquility. As we approach the statue, its sheer scale takes our breath away. The Buddha's serene expression, with its downcast eyes and gentle smile, seems to radiate a sense of calm that washes over us. Surrounded by lush greenery and the gentle hum of Buddhist chants, we feel a world away from the city's hustle and bustle. This is a place for reflection, for finding inner peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. Section 5, A Kaleidoscope of Lights, Sim Sha Tsui's vibrant spirit. As dusk descends, our drone returns us to the heart of the city, this time to the vibrant district of Sim Sha Tsui. Known for its bustling shopping streets, world-class restaurants, and dazzling nightlife, Sim Sha Tsui pulsates with an infectious energy. As darkness falls, the district transforms into a kaleidoscope of lights, a dazzling display that illuminates the night sky. The streets are alive with activity, a constant hum of excitement that never seems to fade. Neon signs in every color imaginable beckon from storefronts, while street vendors hawk their wares amidst a cacophony of sounds. The aroma of street food, a tantalizing blend of sweet, savory and spicy, wafts through the air, tempting us to land and explore the culinary delights this district has to offer. Tsim Sha Tsui is a feast for the senses, a place where the energy of Hong Kong is on full display. The district is not just about the lights and sounds, it's about the people who bring it to life. Locals and tourists alike mingle in the streets, creating a vibrant tapestry of cultures and experiences. The nightlife here is unparalleled, with bars and clubs offering a variety of experiences, from laid-back lounges to high-energy dance floors. Music spills out onto the streets, adding to the district's dynamic atmosphere. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the rhythm of the night. As you wander through the streets, you'll find hidden gems at every corner. From quaint cafes to upscale boutiques, Tsim Sha Tsui offers something for everyone. The district's charm lies in its ability to blend the old with the new, creating a unique experience that is both timeless and contemporary. Whether you're here for the shopping, the food, or the nightlife, Tsim Sha Tsui promises an unforgettable experience. It's a place where memories are made and the spirit of Hong Kong truly comes alive. So come, immerse yourself in the vibrant spirit of Tsim Sha Tsui and let the district's energy sweep you off your feet. From the bustling markets to the serene waterfront, every corner of Tsim Sha Tsui has a story to tell. The aroma of street food, a tantalizing blend of sweet, savory and spicy, wafts through the air, tempting us to land and explore the culinary delights this district has to offer. Tsim Sha Tsui is a feast for the senses, a place where the energy of Hong Kong is on full display. Tsim Sha Tsui is a feast for the senses, a place where the energy of Hong Kong is on full display. Tsim Sha Tsui is a feast for the senses, a place where the energy of Hong Kong is on full display. Tsim Sha Tsui is a feast for the senses, a place where the energy of Hong Kong is on full display. Section 6. Nature's Tranquil Escape, Finding Peace in Nanlian Garden. Seeking respite from the urban intensity, our drone takes us to the serene oasis of Nanlian Garden. This hidden gem in the bustling cityscape of Hong Kong is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and urban life. Nestled in the heart of Kowloon, this meticulously landscaped garden offers a tranquil escape from the city's relentless pace. The garden spans 3.5 hectares, providing ample space for visitors to wander and explore its many wonders. Inspired by the Tang Dynasty, the garden is a harmonious blend of traditional Chinese architecture, lush greenery, and serene water features. Each element is thoughtfully placed to create a sense of balance and peace. We soar over meticulously manicured bonsai trees, each one a miniature masterpiece that reflects the gardener's dedication and skill. Graceful pagodas reflected in still ponds add to the garden's serene ambiance, creating perfect mirror images that captivate the eye. Winding pathways invite leisurely strolls, encouraging visitors to take their time and absorb the tranquil surroundings. Each turn reveals a new perspective, a new scene of natural beauty. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, their vibrant colors adding to the garden's allure. Each flower is a testament to the care and attention given to this sanctuary. The gentle chirping of birds creates a soothing symphony that calms the soul. Their songs blend seamlessly with the rustling leaves and the soft murmur of water, enhancing the garden's peaceful atmosphere. In this urban sanctuary, time seems to slow down, allowing us to reconnect with nature and find a moment of peace. Nanlian Garden is not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to breathe, and to find solace amidst the chaos of city life. Section 7. An architectural marvel, the Bank of China Tower. Our drone now takes us to an architectural marvel that has become synonymous with Hong Kong's skyline, the Bank of China Tower. Designed by the renowned architect I.M. Pei, this iconic skyscraper is a masterpiece of modern design, its distinctive triangular facade piercing the sky. The building's unique structure, inspired by bamboo shoots, is not just aesthetically pleasing but also serves a practical purpose, allowing for natural light to flood its interior. As we circle the tower, we marvel at its intricate geometry, a testament to human ingenuity and architectural innovation. The Bank of China Tower stands as a symbol of Hong Kong's ambition, its soaring height a testament to the city's unwavering spirit. Section 8, Hong Kong from above, a tapestry of experiences. As our drone begins its descent, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the breathtaking panorama of the skyline to the serene beauty of Nanlian Garden, Hong Kong has revealed itself to be a city of contrasts, a place where East meets West, where ancient traditions coexist with modern marvels. We have witnessed the city's vibrant energy, its unwavering ambition, and its capacity for both grand spectacle and quiet beauty. Hong Kong, as seen through the eyes of a drone, is a tapestry of experiences, a city that stimulates the senses, challenges perceptions, and leaves an indelible mark on the soul. Section 9. Discover the magic. Your Hong Kong adventure awaits. Our journey may be ending, but the adventure is just beginning. Hong Kong beckons, inviting you to discover its magic firsthand. Explore the bustling streets, savor the culinary delights, immerse yourself in the rich culture, and create your own unforgettable memories in this dynamic city. So, what are you waiting for? Book your ticket, pack your bags, and prepare to be captivated by the magic of Hong Kong. Your adventure awaits.